Good morning. This is the Parker family home. It is a beautiful morning. The birds are singing. Today is a very special day.
Yay! Today is my birthday! I am coming. I am coming. I am coming. I am coming. Wow. It looks so beautiful.
Good morning, Emma. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Thank you, Dad. I love the balloons.
Biscuit, do you know what today is?
It is my birthday today.
That is my face. You always understand me, Biscuit.
Happy birthday, Emma. You are getting old.
I am not old. I am 6.
That is very old.
You need to rest today, Sarah. I will take care of everything. Sarah, here is your medicine, and here is some water.
Thank you, Marcus. Have you ever baked a cake before?
How hard can it be? Okay, I can do this. How hard can it be?
Marcus had never baked a cake before.
Dad, can I help you make the cake?
Yes, Max. Come and help me.
I am ready, Dad. Let us do this. 2 cups flour, 1 cup sugar, 3 eggs.
Perfect.
Perfect. That is exactly right. I got the egg in. No shells, Dad. Great job, buddy.
Very slowly, very carefully. Almost there. Perfect. Now we wait.
We did it, Dad.
We really did it.
Should be done soon.
It smells so good. Can we check?
Patience, buddy. Good things take time.
I know, but I'm excited.
Me too. We'll check together.
Whoa, that's a lot of steam.
Is it burning, Dad?
No, it's just excited. Like us.
I can't wait to see it.
All right, let's go check on our masterpiece.
Oh no, it's burnt.
It's all black, Dad.
It's okay. We'll make another.
Can I help next time?
Of course. We'll do it together.
Hey, let's go.
All right, buddy.
Dad, what's wrong?
The cake didn't turn out right.
It looks fine. We can fix it.
You're right. Thanks, buddy. Hug?
Definitely. It says 1 cup of flour, Dad.
1 cup. Got it. Here we go.
Now it needs another ½ cup.
Half a cup coming up.
This is fun.
It sure is, buddy. All right, let's get this in.
Wow, it's so bright in there.
Perfect. Now we wait for it to bake.
I can't wait. It smells so good. What are you making, Dad?
Just a surprise, sweetheart. Go play.
Why does it smell like burning?
Everything is fine, Emma. Burned outside, raw inside. How?
It is okay, Dad. We can figure this
I
out.
cannot do this, Max. I am sorry.
Dad, it's okay. It just needs frosting.
I don't know, buddy. It looks pretty bad.
No, it's not. We can fix it together.
You really think so?
I know so. Let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
See, Dad? Even Biscuit loves you.
Good boy, Biscuit. Good boy.
Dad, I have an idea. A very creative idea. What if we order Emma favorite pizza?
Pizza, but it is her birthday.
We make the pizza look like a cake, Dad.
Okay, 1 large pizza, please.
Her favorite toppings, Dad. Tell them.
And please come quickly. It is urgent.
Phase 1 complete. Now phase 2.
Hello? Pizza delivery for the Parker family. Yes, that is us. Thank you so much.
You came very fast on that bicycle. I will draw the candles here.
I am writing happy birthday. It looks amazing, Dad. Trust me.
1 candle, 2 candles, 3.
6 candles, Dad. 1 for each year.
It looks completely ridiculous.
It looks completely perfect, Dad.
Look at that, Max. Look at that.
We made that, Dad. Together.
Yes. We did.
Emma, can you come downstairs, please?
She is coming, Dad. She is coming.
Get ready. Get ready. Happy birthday, Emma. Your cake.
Is that a pizza box?
It is a pizza birthday cake. We made it.
I love it. I love it.
Happy birthday, my Emma.
Mom, you came downstairs. I could not miss your birthday.
You should be resting, Sarah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma. Happy birthday to you.
Emma closed her eyes very tight. She made her most important birthday wish.
I wish for this. Right here.
Wait, we need a family photo right now.
Good idea, Max. Everyone together. Emma, you go in front. Biscuit, sit there. Okay, everyone.
Come on.
Can I see it? Can I see it?
I made it myself. Close your eyes. Now open them. I drew everyone. Do you like it?
Max, you drew our whole family.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Emma, I need to tell you something. I burned your cake. Twice.
Dad, you tried so hard for me. That makes me very happy.
Effort means trying very hard.
Effort. Forward.
Effort.
Marcus showed great effort today.
This pizza box, that is creative.
We made something new in a different way. Hooray!
Perfect means exactly right. No mistakes. But today we learned something important. Pizza cake was not perfect, but it was completely wonderful.
Ha, perfect.
Max, I appreciate you so much today.
You helped me. You encouraged me. Appreciate.
Together.
Together. The Parkers always do everything together. Quiz time. Which word means trying very hard? Is it A, perfect? Is it B, effort? Is it C, together? Write your answer below right now.
Do you know the answer?
The answer is B, effort. Well done. Effort means trying very hard, just like Marcus today.
This is the best birthday ever.
I am sorry I burned the real cake, Emma.
Dad, this is the real cake, Emma.
Thank you for watching today.
Come back next week.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
See you next week for a new adventure.